The first time I knew that I was inferior, I probably was 18 months old. I knew that we were untouchables. Untouchability means actually untouchability. You cannot touch them.
While everyone is finding their way to survive amidst this pandemic, it is obvious that such news of atrocities against Dalits will disturb us. And on May 14, there was a case where a Dalit man was assaulted for being in intercaste relation and forcing him to drink urine. This all things are happening when we are suffering from the global crisis due to coronavirus. Issue of caste and untouchability is not limited to Hindus, even Muslims are often seen practicing it.
इधर मुसलमान का पहला हमारे भी वो इधर ही दफनाते थे, हमारा नहीं था तो, पर अब नहीं दफनाने देते। वो मैयत वापस कर दी थी हमारे दस। उन्होंने क्या था कि मैं मरूं तो मेरे को इधर ही दफनाना, तो वो मरी तो हम इधर ही ले गए उनको, कब्र सब खोद खाद के न रखी नहीं ले गए। तो ये आ गए मुस्लिम मतलब मुसलमान ने उनके किन्यानी दफनान दोगे कि क्यों ऐसा क्यों नहीं होगा, कहाँ तुम्हारी कब्रस्तान उधर है, उधर ले जाओ आप। हम उधर खाली भागल लगी हुई थी, सब गाय ने ढोर ने बेल ने सब चढ़ते हैं कब्रस्तान पे।
As a great person, Baba Saheb Ambedkar, or you could say Indian jurist, economist, politician or social reformer, he once said that caste is the ascending scale of reverence and descending scale of contempt. This saying even holds true today.
In fact, even in the beginning, I used to feel, what if they touch me? They're going to be polluted.
In a shocking incident related to caste-based discrimination, the children of a government school in Tikamgarh, Madhya Pradesh allegedly refused to consume midday meal made by a Dalit woman. When asked, the children said the food is being prepared at home by a woman who doesn't belong to their community.
उसका क्या मध्याह्न भोजन बना था आज?
यस सर।
तो खाया तुमने कि नहीं खाया?
नहीं सर।
क्यों नहीं खाया?
सर संस्कार के नाम से आता है सुनी।
तो संस्कार के आगे खाते नहीं हो क्या तुम लोग?
नहीं सर।
नहीं खाते?
यस सर।
तो किसने मना किया तुम लोगों को कि संस्कार के आगे नहीं खाना चाहिए?
सर किसी ने नहीं।
तो फिर क्यों नहीं खाते?
सर पहले से नहीं खाते।
Untouchables are not part of any of Brahma, the creator. What makes them untouchable is they are assigned hereditary duties that are considered filthy and menial by the Indian society. Like the hardest jobs are theirs and the filthiest jobs are given to them. Based on these different occupations, there are about, in my area, 52 different subcastes within untouchability.
Where two Dalits were stripped and thrashed in Maharashtra's Jalgaon district. Their crime? They were trying to beat the heat by swimming in the village well. In another incident, a Dalit was assaulted in Gujarat for wearing a certain kind of shoes and gold necklace. Ask yourself whether we are in 21st century India.
Stripped and thrashed with a belt. This was the fate of two Dalit boys in Maharashtra's Jalgaon village. Their fault? They entered a well owned by an upper caste farmer in their village.
It is not for the first we are witnessing such instances. Daily, we used to hear such news of discrimination against lower caste peoples. According to NCRB data, there were total 5,775 offences registered solely under the SC/ST Act in 2017, with Dalit as victim 3,172 were related to intentionally insult or intimidate with intent to humiliate.
That he wore mojadi shoes and a gold chain like the upper caste.
And to think that Maharashtra is the proud state of the Shahu Phule Ambedkar
From
legacy.
the beginning itself, we knew that even in this independent India, we are somewhat different from the, mainstream people.
Even the fourth pillar of our democracy, which is media, is not safe from caste-based issues.
चमार घुस गए हैं इस न्यूज रूम में, देखो कितना हल्ला मचा कर रखा है। मैं इतना परेशान हो गया हूँ इस ब्राह्मणवादी मीडिया में काम करके इतने सालों से। मुझे आज तक कोई मेरी जाति का व्यक्ति नहीं मिला इन न्यूज रूम्स में। मुझे प्लीज उसके पास ले चलो।
Another bad news comes that last year a Dalit man was assaulted for riding bike past the house of Sarpanch.
बोले साले यहाँ गाड़ी से तू यहाँ गांव में घूमता है, मेरे दरवाजे से निकलता है। और आज के बाद यहाँ में वो बोले साले तुझे जान से मार डालेंगे, कुल्हाड़ी लिया उसको काटो यहीं पर।
मेरे सीनियर, मुझे करीब 6 महीने हुए थे, एक सीनियर से ऐसे ही दलित विषयों पे बात हो रही थी, किसी दलित मुद्दे पे। उस समय ऊना कांड हुआ था, ऊना कांड में दलितों को पिटाई की गई थी, तो उस विषय पे हमारी बात हो रही थी। तो मेरे जो सीनियर हैं उन्होंने कहा कि जिस तरह से बहुत ही कड़े शब्द हैं, बहुत ही दुखद शब्द हैं, लेकिन मुझे बताने पड़ेंगे क्योंकि हम जो महसूस करते हैं वो बताना चाहिए। मेरे सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट जो करीब 15 साल से मीडिया में काम कर रहे हैं, उनका कहना था कुत्तों को और दलितों को घी हजम नहीं होता, और जिस तरह से उनको आप लात मार के रखते हैं वैसे ही इनको आप कंट्रोल नहीं रखेंगे तो ये बिगड़ जाएंगे। ये एक उस आपकी जाति के उस नवयुवक पत्रकार के लिए, जब वो किसी मीडिया हाउस में काम करने के लिए अपने सीनियर से सीखने के लिए जा रहा है, तब उसको इस तरह की बातें बोली गई, तो आप सोचिए आपका कॉन्फिडेंस कितना टूट जाएगा।
They would call us with, caste specific names, Chamar, Bhangi. We talk about independence, we talk about freedom of speech and a lot of things, but then for Dalits, a lot of things are restricted. But comparatively, what we would have expected after independence, after 67, 70 years, is probably equal position everywhere, equal representation everywhere.
The Constitution has formally abolished caste system in 1950. Among other articles, like Article 15, talks about prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Despite these efforts, the effects of this and related laws has been in many cases painfully slow, if not negligible.
हमरा कहला के निकल रोंडिया धोबिनिया घर में से तोरा हम तहसीली उठैलक मारे लगे। घटे पहले लोग हम कर्जा लेते थे वो लोग से, अब कर्जा लेना बंद कर दिए, अपना मीटिंग करके पैसा बचत करके अपना परिवार में चला रहे हैं।
Yeah, every day 4 Dalits are murdered and 3 Dalit women raped. Yearly, around crimes against former untouchables are recorded and discrimination against them is still very much alive. So what are we doing? Are we gonna still increasing these numbers or try to decrease these numbers?
My name is Lalita. I'm 20 years old. I'm dedicated in the age of 3 to 4 years to the temple prostitution, and I was every day go and come play around near the temple. At the 12th age, I was dedicated to sleep with the priests.
In Nepal, Dalit girls of the Badi caste are often branded prostitutes from birth because this is considered their caste-based occupation.
At least 50% of the Dalits are able to access education, which is not true.
We may talk of upliftment of lower caste of our society and talk about the development, but if we closely analyze these things, we could actually find that the development of lower caste people is only and only on a piece of paper.
फेरि जामला भन्ने लाग्छ नि, खै अब धेरै पैसाहरू गरेर फेरि जाम जागिरी खाम भन्ने त लाग्छ, तर पढ्न जागिरी खान त्यस्तै मन लाग्छ.
It is the caste system as a whole that has to be challenged, and it is the notion of caste as such that must be rejected. It's time to forget this name morally and concretely, banning its meaning and practices, confining it to history books once for all, as it belongs to any unjustifiable form of tyranny. The question is how? Solidarity is the answer. Let new deeds forge the world to come.
There's any other solution for caste than demolishing the existing structure, because caste had a particular economic function, and that's the purpose it served, division of labor. This is not a kind of thing that I can say, oh, change your minds and stuff. You break the structures that necessitate this sort of exploitation. Unless you break the structures, this is all going to be a band-aid on a bullet wound.